have, in fact, a statement that has been made by Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu. A very, very important statement there coming in from Ram Mohan Naidu, the Civil Aviation Minister, on the Ahmedabad plane crash. According to him, the investigation is now in final stages. This concerns not only India but international aviation authorities as well. Other countries are also looking at this very, very closely. The final report, he said, is going to come out very soon. Listen in.
वो फाइनल स्टेजेस में है और वो पूरी तरह से एक अच्छा ट्रांसपेरेंट तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेशन चले, क्योंकि वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन केवल भारत का ही इशू नहीं है। काफी वो इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट है, इंटरनेशनल पैसेंजर्स थे, दूसरे देशों के सिटीजन्स भी थे, तो वो कोई भी उसको स्क्रूटिनी कर सकता है। तो उस लेवल के स्क्रूटिनी तक वो ठीक रहने के लिए हमें पूरा फेयर एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट और अकाउंटेबल में उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना है। उसके तहत पूरी काम चल रही है। मैं मानता हूं कि बहुत ही जल्द उसका रिपोर्ट भी आएगा।
Let's go back to my colleague Arunil, who continues to be with us at this point in time. The report will come out soon. The question is, when is that actually going to happen? Because this incident actually took place in June last year. 1 year is about to get over and still we do not know when the final report is going to be released.
Well, that is right, Hina. In fact, the horrific Air India crash in Ahmedabad is one of the deadly air crashes that have happened in the history of aviation industry. You rightly pointed out the incident transpired or happened in June last year. Now it is May. Close to a year has passed. The AIB basically is conducting an investigation, but till yet the final report is not out as yet. Here basically heartening signs coming in from Mr. Ram Mohan Naidu, the Civil Aviation Minister, who's saying that the report's outcome will have international bearings as well, because there are several international stakeholders, be it Boeing, with the company that made the airline, be it Air India, as well as several passengers who unfortunately lost their life, as well as the students who lost their life as well. They were also studying in their college when the aircraft fell on their college premises. In some time, the report from the AIB will be out. This is what Ram Mohan Naidu is saying. We have seen that the AIB is also looking into the fuel control switch panel of the Air India, because in February as well there was an incident wherein the pilots on board Bengaluru to London flight reported about some of the alleged technical glitches with respect to
so we'll eventually see what actually happens in the final report that's going to be released hopefully very soon. Thank you very much, Arunil, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now move on, viewers, and tell you a little bit about what you can find on timesnownews.com, our website. And now, remember, a couple of days ago, we had US President Donald Trump visiting Beijing. Now it is Russian President Vladimir Putin who is in Beijing. So you can get very interesting stories on our website. For example, this one will tell you everything about Putin's visit to Beijing. It says, exit Trump, enter Putin, why this China visit matters. And this is, viewers, just one of the many stories that you can find on timesnownews.com. Detailed reports and everything that you need to know, not just about this, but everything that's really breaking on an hourly basis. Everything you can find on timesnownews.com. And then you've got some of the other stories as well in the world section that you can see. For example, amid war with US, mass wedding held in Iran for couples ready to sacrifice. Then you've got Putin-Xi diplomacy there. From dinner to Colosseum visit, Prime Minister Modi begins his Italy trip, shares pictures. So all these updates you can find right here on timesnownews.com.